Hello Christian, my name is Eduardo. Once again, I'm presenting a personal video for you for the 2014 Ducati Monster 1200. 26,500 kilometers and the price is 10,488, and it's a fully safety certified. Brand new tires, front and also the rear. Bike is very clean and also comes with a solo seat, so you can remove it for the passenger. This motorcycle also comes with a thumb protector, Ducati thumb protector, fresh oil and filter, and are ready to hit the season. As I told you, this motorcycle is available this time. If you need me to secure this motorcycle, please give me a call. Our phone number 905-660-2901, extension 209. Thank you.